Many children are struggling to survive. There are 396 million children worldwide going to bed starving. There are too many children living on the street. I wish that no child would fall asleep with an empty stomach in this world. Atomy is donating $10 million to children all over the world, taking the first step together with Compassion Korea. "1,000 children. I have received 1,000 cards like this. Since last August, I have set up monthly transfer of 50 million won from my personal banking account to 1,000 children. Every month, 1,000 children are receiving 50,000 won. 50,000 won is not enough to solve everything, but a child can eat one hearty meal a day at least, and have the opportunity to receive an education and get nurtured at a compassion center. I have 2 grandchildren. They are so adorable, more adorable than raising my own sons. I have decided to open my wallet to the best of my ability and beyond to help the grandchildren like kids from going to bed with an empty stomach. There's more giving than receiving. But nothing is worth more than to see these children get nurtured properly. Last year, Atomy has donated $10 million, 12 billion won, to Compassion Korea, and this year we have begun sponsoring 10,000 children every month. It is 50,000 won per child. 10,000 children makes it 500 million won per month. In 1 year, roughly 6 billion won will be donated. In the past 2 years, the COVID-19 pandemic and many natural disasters occurred around the world, which directly influenced us to donate $10 million, 12 billion won, last year. When these types of natural disasters strike, children are probably the most vulnerable. I felt that emergency relief measures are needed and with a sense of urgency, so I decided to donate $10 million. Perhaps $10 million helped to put out the fire, but children need continuous sponsorship. Therefore, since January, Atomy decided to continuously sponsor 10,000 children. Children, whether they are mine or someone else's, God entrusted me with them. I believe we must take good care of them. I am doing my best, yet there are still many starving children out there. I hope many more of you can join me in sponsoring compassion. In the Bible, it says it is more blessed to give than to receive. Rather than making money when it is spent on giving to people in need, especially when it is for children, my heart is filled with abundant satisfaction. I want to share this satisfaction with many of you.
Muito obrigada, Senhor.
Aquí estamos en el aula de supervivencia. Mi hijo ha aprendido a usar sus motoras finas. Hasta pronto, señor Park Lo llevaremos siempre en nuestras oraciones y en nuestros corazones.
Your sponsorship has been of great impact in my life and in the life of my daughter.
ልጄን እንኳን መመገብ አልችልም። ያለሁበት ሁኔታ አሳሳቢ ነበር። እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልኝ። በእናንተ ተጽናንቼ እዚህ ደርሻለሁ። ልጄንም መመገብ ችያለሁ። እየመገቡልኝ ነው። በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ክብር ምስጋና ይግባልኝ።
Isa pa pong pinagpapasalamat ko, nakakatulong din po siya sa pag-aaral po ng anak ko. Dahil din, pati na rin po sa spiritual po na
আগে যেতে পারি না, গাড়ি ঘোড়া চলে নেই, যানবাহনে গাড়ি ঘোড়া চলে নেই, কোনো রাস্তায় বাড়িতে পারি নেই, ডিউটি যেতে পারি নেই। তার জন্য এইখান থেকে প্রজেক্ট থেকে চাউলটা দেওয়ার থেকে দিতে বলে আমরা চলতে পারছি। এই উপকারে এই সাহায্যে আমাদের খুব কষ্ট হয় না।
En momentos de escasez donde no teníamos para el agua potable, no teníamos para el alimento, hemos recibido esa enorme bendición de parte de usted y gracias, muchísimas gracias.
Dándole gracias por todas las bendiciones que nos han mandado en estos tiempos de pandemia, pidiéndole a Dios que les supla para que nos puedan mandar a los niños del agua.
Gracias.